dear children, welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. Today we are going to do revision of lesson Sources of Light. We have finished our term 1 syllabus, children. From today onwards we will start our revision. So let's start. What we have studied in this lesson, do you remember? Our eyes help us to see the things around us, but we are unable to see in the dark. Why is it so, children? Can you answer to this question? Because our eyes can help us to see things only in the presence of light. What is the answer? Because our eyes can help us to see things only in the presence of light. Now you know, children, from where do we get this light? We get light from two different sources. What are these sources? First, natural sources. Second, artificial sources, or you can say man-made sources. Your natural sources are not man-made sources, isn't it? So let's study, revise about the natural sources of light. Now children, natural sources of light are what? These sources include heavenly bodies like the sun and the stars. So if it is asked, name two natural sources of light, what will be the answer? The stars and the sun. The question can also be arise, children, is the moon a natural source of light? No. Why is it so, children? As I already explained in the class, that moon does not have its own light. Moon does not have its own light. The light of the sun falls on the moon. Is it clear? So name the most important natural source of light. It is your sun. Sun is the most important natural source of light. Is it clear about the natural sources, children? What are the important points to remember here? That the stars and the sun are the two natural sources of light. And if it is asked, children, is moon your natural source of light? The answer will be no. Why? Because it does not have its own light. And next, children, name the most important natural source of light. What will you answer? The sun is the most important natural source of light. Clear? Let's move to next. Artificial sources of light, children. Artificial sources, or you can say man-made sources, isn't it? So the artificial sources of light are made by human beings. They include, what are these things, children? Electric bulb, kerosene lamps, oil lamps, candles, and so on. Clear? These are what? These are made by man. We can control these lights. We can turn off, we can turn on this light. Clear? About the artificial sources of light, children, two important points are what? That first, it is man-made source of light, and secondly, children, what are the artificial sources of light? You have to give the examples. So you can say electric bulb, kerosene lamp, oil lamp, candles, and many other are there. Okay? Next, we studied that in ancient time there were no artificial sources of light. So we studied that discovery of fire as a source of light, isn't it? So in ancient time there were no artificial sources of light. That is long back, children, long back time, where human beings, there was no children, there was no development. It was a very long back time, which is also called ancient time, children. There were no artificial sources of light. There was only natural source of light. Okay? So human being could only hunt and gather food during the daytime. So if it is asked, children, why human beings in ancient time could hunt and gather food only during the daytime, what will be your answer? Because there was no artificial source of light. Clear? Next, then humans discovered fire by rubbing flint. How fire was discovered? Fire was discovered by rubbing flint. Then children, this fire became one source of light for people in ancient time. This helped them to get light even after sunset. They could also guard their caves from dangerous animals with the help of fire. Clear? How could they save their caves, children? They could guard their caves with the help of this fire, isn't it? What they used to do, children? They used to burn firewood for light. This is how they could protect or they could guard their caves from dangerous animals. Clear? As time went on, then they started using oil lamps, candles and lanterns. Now children, after the discovery of fire, they started burning firewood for light, isn't it? After that, children, they started using oil lamps, candles and lanterns. Now the question arises, for these sources of light, children, electricity is needed? No, that means till now electricity was not discovered. Okay, so after this, children, burning firewood, they started using oil lamps, candles and lanterns. Remember the sequence in which order the sources of lights were used, children. First, there was no artificial source of light. Then after the discovery of fire, children, they started using firewood. Okay, they started to burn firewood for light. Then after that, they started using oil lamps, candles and lanterns. Clear? Next, after the discovery of electricity, now here electricity was discovered, children. So humans started using electric lamps as a source of light. You can see the picture of electric lamp in the screen, children. After the discovery of electricity, they started using electric lamps, and also you can say this bulbs. Okay. Next, what sources of light should we use? What sources of light should we use, children? We should try to use sunlight, which is the main source of natural light, to the maximum. It is the cheapest sources of light, children. Okay, we pay lots of bill for the electricity which we use, isn't it? But this is one of the cheapest source of light. So how can we use sunlight, children? The first way is we can use solar panels to capture light and convert it to electricity. You can see the picture in the screen, children. These are your solar panels. Solar panels here, children, captures the sunlight, and that sunlight is converted to electricity. This electricity can be used to light our homes in the night. Clear to everyone? Okay, then let's move to next. Artificial sources of light like electric bulbs need electricity to give out light. Can electric bulbs we can use without electricity? No, we need electricity to use electric bulbs, isn't it? But children, this electricity is limited. So how can we save electricity? We should use light sources which use less electricity. We should try to use those light sources, children, which consumes less electricity. So which are those, children? Can you name? These are your LED bulb, tube lights and CFL bulbs. Clear? This type of light sources, children, it consumes less electricity. So this is how we can save electricity. Okay? The second way of saving electricity is we should switch off the lights when not in use. Clear? We can switch off the light. We should always switch off the light when we are not using. Clear? So this is what we studied. How can we save electricity? Next, some artificial sources of light cause harm to the environment. Now, can you name the artificial source of light that cause harm to the environment? Kerosene lamp. Why? Because it gives out smoke and it is harmful to the environment. Okay? Next, many light sources also give us heat. Many light sources, children, give us heat. With that, we use that fire, children, for cooking as it provides heat. We can use sunlight for heating water and cooking food with the help of solar heater and solar cooker. So children, you can see this is your solar water heater. Solar water heater is a device that captures sunlight to heat water. Clear? Next, this is your solar cooker. Solar cooker is a device which uses the energy of direct sunlight to heat and cook food. Clear? So this is all what we have studied in this lesson. Hope so it is clear to everyone, children. Now everyone take out your EVS copy. I'll give you some extra questions, children. So you note down these extra questions in your copy. So first question is, write 2 ways of how electricity can be saved. So you know the answer. We have just studied, isn't it? The 2 ways of saving electricity are, first, we should use light sources which use less electricity. Which are those? For example, LED bulbs, tube lights and CFL bulbs. Clear? Second point is, we should switch off the lights when not in use. Clear? Next question.